Hey guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can apply a tourist visa to travel to Lithuania. Before I proceed further, if you have not already subscribed to my channel, please go subscribe right now. And also, I would like to clarify, neither I'm an immigration consultant nor I'm a government body. So in case you take anything out of this, you do it at your own risk. All right, guys, so let's proceed. So guys, Lithuania is part of Schengen region. So that means the similar Schengen visa process that we have seen in other countries too that needs to be followed. But of course, yeah, it all depends upon your member state of first entry and like other things. Okay. So again, as I have described before, whenever it comes to apply any kind of visa for any country, the very first thing you should check is that do you really need a visa? Because based on your nationality, duration, purpose, and even based on other visas that you may have, you may not actually need a visa. And when you want to check these requirements, always check as per the official entity of the country that governs your residential area. For example, if you are an Indian national living in New Delhi, India, so I have opened this Embassy of Republic of Lithuania to the Republic of India. Fine. Here, under welcome, under consular services coming to Lithuania, we have visa section. So again, it's like a Schengen region. So they have given all the valid links like Visa Authority and Visa Application Center, how to submit your application, fee. Okay. So if I see Visa Authority and Visa Application Center, which is really important. So they have outsourced it to VFS Global like many other Schengen countries. Okay. So we can go to the checklist and other things on this website itself. But yeah, if we go to VFS, we can check everything all together. So that's where I'm taking you. Okay. So again, it's going to be the same steps. Like you identify your application, fill your form and other information, and then you book an appointment. Okay. Go there, pay the fee, visit, and then like then if required, your biometrics is going to be collected, and then your application goes into processing. And if everything is fine, you are all good to go. So we're gonna begin with step one. What's the visa type that you select? Tourism if you select. Visa fee for tourists 90 euros. Okay. VFS has its own service fee. Okay. And this can be paid in cash or by debit credit card. I would prefer this method because they don't have to worry about the debit credit card fee. Documents. Okay. Photo specification. We'll go through the document checklist. Don't worry. Photo specifications given. This you can carry to any good photographer. They can do it. Processing time 50 calendar days from arrival of embassy visa section. It could take up to 30 days, but not exactly uh, it's gonna be like that because sometimes it may take even more. Okay. So visa application should be filled online in the following website. Okay. So we will go through it. Okay. But before that, let's go through the checklist. We'll go through checklist one by one. Completed and signed visa application to complete the one login. Select Schengen. Then two passport photograph. This you can download after it is completed. Sign. Two recent photograph. Based on specification we have seen. Valid passport. Number of migrants. Okay. Temporary step. Fine. Confirm the purpose and condition of planned visit. Okay, fine. As per your application, as per your case, like if you're doing on your own hotel booking, tour itinerary, those things you need to put. Travel medical insurance, 30,000 euros minimum, that we have seen for almost every European country, not only Schengen. Proof of transportation, flight tickets. Okay. Accommodation, hotel booking, reservation. If you are staying with someone there later, cover letter, where you have the excellent opportunity to summarize your case. Proof of financial means, bank statement 3 months, tag Indian tax return for last 2 assessment years. So based on your country, it could vary. Okay. Pay slips, employment contract for students, institution information, leave, minor some other documents. Okay. Documents to be submitted as depending upon the purpose. Visiting family friend is this, business trip is this. study purpose of tourism is this. Medical treatment, official, whatever is your case. I don't have to go through all that, but yeah, you know what exactly. Okay. So here is date, name, your name, signature, and this is for the VFS guys. So don't worry about the second portion, but yeah, that's the checklist. What else we have? Data protection. Data, okay, it's open. Okay, terms, conditions. So read and understand. That's a good thing to do. Harmonized document list. Okay, list of some documents. They have again summarized it with in details. So you can go through this. Okay. Same thing it is, but yeah, more in an elaborative way it has been given. Okay. Now when we are clear about the process and other things, we'll go for this form. Why not? We must. Okay. So let's choose your citizenship. Fine. Wow. There was small triangle. Okay. Residence. I want to I want to get a national visa, get or extend a Schengen visa. Okay. So for our case, it's gonna be on a get or extend Schengen visa because type C is short-term Schengen visa, 90 days. So I want to get a Schengen visa. If you're applying for new, fill in the application. Okay. Please use this login app. You should do not have personal identification number in Lithuania. Okay. So I'm gonna put email and click and login. Then I'm gonna explain what happens. Okay, guys. So what happens is like you put your email there in the previous screen, and then you click on login. So system sends a code to your email address that you need to put. Then it takes you to the next screen where you have to put your name, first name, last name, and phone number, and then it creates your profile, and then it takes you here. Okay, now you can fill it up. So application filled in by personally, if you're doing, I mean, you're doing on your own, do it. Then whatever information you have put, it's gonna take it up. Gender, male. Now all the information you see here is absolutely sample. Don't instead do as per your own guess. Country of birth, India. Place of birth. Check your passport, guys. These things should match. And anything you see here, check it at least 2 times. Nationality at birth. Marital status. Whatever it is. National ID number where actually when I had applied for visa, I had used my PAN card and it was absolutely successful. Home address, again, you know your address, right? City, you know your city. And as I said, everything that you check, check it at least multiple times. Street, how, apartment number, put it in. Residence country other than the country or nationality, no. Passport information, type, passport, date of issue, select. Issued, okay. Which country has issued it? You need to upload it. Okay. Purpose of the journey, tourism, Additional information that you want to put, definitely provide. Member state of main destination, other member state of destination applicable. So it's a Schengen region, so you know. Member state of first entry. Number of entries requested. I select intended date of travel. Do it everything as per your own case. Date of departure. Yeah. So let's say, as you've had your fingerprints being collected previously for the purpose of applying a Schengen visa, I select no. Entry permit. Do you have if applicable? So assume not. Read everything. You can save and come back later too. Okay, so this is the step 1 that we are in. So let's go to the next stage. Of course, I won't be submitting. Oh, we have missed anything. Yeah. Original document will be provided at. That's why be careful. Is the person a family member or the? No. Oh, there have been more of information. Probably that was came later. Your current professional activity. Select what best suits you. Country. Seat or educational institution flat number. Okay. Address of your employer. Of course, you know this. Inviting person or personal. Not applicable. Staying in hotel. So where hotel you're gonna stay, provide that information. Let's say hotel A, name of the contact person. Okay, if you have done the booking, you know that. The name of the telephone number, email. Of course, you will have some country. Municipality. Wow. District. Wow. Who's gonna be paid? So by himself. Cash, traveler's check, credit card, prepaid accommodation. Okay, now let's see if we can actually go to the next screen. Name of contact person. Just right. Jacob. Format. Good amount of validation has been applied. Okay, visit reservation. Institution. Uh, okay, so in India, where you wanna go for it? They have these locations, and then you can submit it, and then you can go for the next step where you can book next step like biometric and all. But of course, I'm not gonna do that. So let's go back to the VFS site. What happens after this? Okay. Visa type we did. Prepare your document. Pay your visa application fee. Okay. If you download the form to print and bring along the same, payment will be made at the time of your appointment. Okay, that also you can do. Then visit, attend your scheduled appointment after you book, then submit your application, and then if required, they can also collect your biometrics and then it goes for processing. And if all goes well, you're good to go. So that is how it works, guys. Let me know what you feel about it. Thanks for watching this video and please subscribe to the channel. Thank you.